One clear trend is out of the measuring rooms and onto the shop floor. Parts no longer go to the machines, which increases response times. After all, every second you lose when locating a problem leads to more scrap and rework. Fast measuring is the key, and that's what automated systems do. This is why our robots move the sensor around the component. We also developed a ScanBox where you simultaneously measure on one side and set up the machine on the other side to reduce downtime, e.g. when replacing fixtures or components. In future, ScanBoxes will be integrated more into the line. The parts will be fed automatically into the ScanBox, which will, yet again, reduce response times. Compared to current inline measuring systems, our ScanBoxes are completely accurate and trackable. You can monitor processes and perform production process and quality assessments. Also, you can give precise geometric quality descriptions in order to analyze where you have to start for continuous quality improvement.